If you're working around with the storyboard, then it's easy to work around with different layers. So over here, you can see that this is the layers stage view right here, where there is one layer and another layer right here, a background layer right here, and another layer on the top. So on top of that, you can go around and draw out layers as well. So usually what happens is that you go around and then you make out something as a rough drawing. So you just go around and then make out something rough right here. So just like this, you draw around, and then on the top you add in a layer that you want, and then again what you do is you go around and trace out to make sure that it is let's say, for example, it is fair. So I'm just going to go around, change around the opacity of this layer right here. And here you can see the layer. So I'm just going to go around, keep it 20, and this is what you have. If I were to go around over here and increase out the size, then this is what I have, as you can see. So I can go around and trace it out, as you can see right here. So this is another layer, as you can see right here. So here I have a rough layer, and here I have a fair layer right here. You can go around and change around the opacity as well. So you can go around, add in as many layers as you want. And if you want to, you can also go around and hide out the layer that you don't want right here, as you can see. And this is the benefit of working around with the layer as well. So on top of that, what you can do is you can go around and let's say you want to add in a separate layer for notes. So in that case, you can go around. Let me just go around and decrease out the size right here and change around the color right here. Let me just go around and change around the color right here. And you can go around and let's say add in notes right here. So let me just go around, increase out the size, and let's say this is going to be for notes right here, and this is going to be let's say, for example, animate right here. So you want to go around and then let's say, for example, add in some notes. Then you can go around, enable and disable that out that layer over here as well if you want to. So you can go around and manage out the layers just like this. And that is how you can work around with layers. And when you're working around with layers, whenever you draw out something in a particular layer and then create out another layer on top of it, let's say, for example, for this one, I'm going to choose a different color. You can see that the top layer is there on the top itself. You can go around and then click and drag out the layers to change around the location as well. So here you can see that this is the layer on the top right here, and as I change around the location of this layer, you can see that this is at the bottom right here. Click and drag this out onto the top, and this is at the top. And that is how you can work around with layers inside of Toon Boom to really go around and then draw out things as well how you like, and then manage out your drawings, that is your storyboards. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.